Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to find a perfect agent on Zillow. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Zillow.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Zillow if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have you buy, rent, sell, home loans, and find an agent. In the top right corner, we have manage rentals, advertise help. We have, of course, your profile and the search bar in the middle. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and find a perfect agent on Zillow. So, Zillow Agent Finder tool allows you to search for agents based on location, rating, and reviews. You can also see the number of homes sold and other important data. Look for agents with high ratings and positive reviews from previous clients. This can give you instant insights into their reliability and professionalism. Look for agent with experience in your specific neighborhood or market. Local expertise can be invaluable. Don't settle for the first agent you find. Meet first at least 3 agents to compare their services, fees, and approach. During your meetings, ask questions about their experience, marketing plan, and how they handle navigations. This will help you gauge their suitability for your needs. So, guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So, guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye, guys.